1 year into marriage and we realized we have done such a big mistake, and this one mistake also taught us and changed the perspective of how we should look into the life.
So in today's video, as you might have already seen on the title, how before turning 30, our retirement plans are sorted and how we have better clarity on life and other investment tips which are personally helping us and might also help you.
At the end of the video, you will have a better clarity on, what kind of investments and what kind of plans have helped us, and you'll at least have some understanding on how two people around 30 years of age have started planning before 30, but now it is helping them in their after 30s and have a better clarity on it. By the way, before going into video, I am Aishwarya.
And I'm Venkat.
And welcome to Love Hustle Freedom. So our channel is all about everything that revolves around couples. So it is basically work, travel, productivity, relationships, finances, health, everything. So stay tuned. We have some amazing content coming up, and do subscribe us.
So, and now without any further ado, let's dive
into video. So in 2023 we got married, and after 1 year we realized कि हमने इतना सारा जो पैसा था जो पूरे एक साल में खर्च किया, where did all the money go? The worst part was we were not able to track it. There were very small खर्चे, like इसकी शादी, उसके baby का function, etc etc. After marriage all the family dynamics also come into picture. But the worst thing was हमको track ही नहीं हो रहा था कोई भी पैसा.
At the end of 2024, the worst thing happened. I had to switch a job because she was in Pune, I was in Bangalore, and I had to do up and down from Bangalore to Pune every week, and मेरा health काफी खराब हो रहा था. And when I was switching this job, I got to know that मेरा 1.5 महीने का salary नहीं आने वाला था. There was this moment where I had no money left, and I had to borrow money from my friend just to keep the month running. It was a very hard time. And then this made us realize that we had no emergency fund at all.
I know that was the worst time of our lives, you can say, finance wise, and luckily at the same moment one of our cousins also came to us, and they randomly started a discussion how you are planning your investments and do you have emergency fund, and मतलब same time पे उन्होंने हमको same question पूछा, and we had already realized that we had no money left at such an emergency. So luckily they told us, why don't you consult with our financial advisor who can give you some basic understanding of it.
By the time we know some basic things about finances, we were doing SIPs and all, but it was random and it was जहाँ पे जितना पैसा है उतने हिसाब से कर रहे थे, but there was no collective effort or single direction wise हम नहीं कर रहे थे.
After talking to this financial advisor and consulting him, एक चीज तो हमको पता चली कि we are not tracking anything on हमारा डेली का खर्चा, like दूध के लिए कितना खर्चा हो रहा है, house helps, how much we are paying them, etc. ये सब चीजें हमको पता है, but we are not tracking it anywhere. सब्जी के लिए कितना पैसा जाता है, हम तो ब्लिंकिट से पता नहीं ऐसे ऑर्डर कर रहे थे कि जैसे मतलब वो फ्री में मिल, गूगल इज पेइंग फॉर अस, ये गूगल पे. ये चीज तो पहले पता चली कि आपको हर एक छोटा एक्सपेंसेस जो है ना, दैट यू शुड ट्रैक, and that is the first task that person gave us, and we immediately actually hired him also, because ये सब छोटी चीजें थी जो हमको नहीं पता थी, and we knew that we need help on all these things.
Correct.
And and एक चीज तो पता चली from all this कि हर एक आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसके लिए गोल कुछ तो होना चाहिए,
और rather हर एक गोल के लिए एक इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए.
Precisely.
Yeah. So after doing all this tracking and all, after knowing what our inflows are, what our outflows are, the first major goal which we had was the emergency fund, which we also suggested was the emergency fund. Emergency fund is usually they suggest for 6 months, but it depends 3 to 6 months का कभी भी हो सकता है, कितना भी हो सकता है. So we had a goal. हमने SIP start किया था only for the emergency fund, and we have achieved that recently. And after the emergency fund, the second most important thing for both of us was the retirement plan.
And what is this all video is about?
Yeah. So हम दोनों को भी जल्दी रिटायर होना है. एंड
एक्चुअली ये प्लान नहीं था. हमने जब वो कंसल्टेंट से बात की, पहले ऐसे लगता था कि ये सब चीजें बहुत सुपरफिशियल है, दीज अमाउंट्स एंड गेटिंग, सिर्फ हम रील्स पे देखते हैं, वीडियोस में देखते हैं, गेटिंग अर्ली रिटायरमेंट एंड ऑल. ऐसे नहीं पता था कि इट्स वेरी मच अचीवेबल ओनली विद आवर सैलरीज. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी पैसिव इनकम्स और एनीथिंग. तो ये पता ही नहीं था.
Yeah. So for the retirement, after talking to him, we got the actual number in our mind. If we have that amount right now, we can just sit and relax and do nothing. So that fire number, we got the clarity and how to achieve that only with a salary, वो हमको clarity मिल गया by having a discussion with him.
Also I think मतलब कब, like when will I get retired, when will he get retired, और कितना हमको करना पड़ेगा. Like in our case, as per the plan, I'll get retired early and then he'll have to work some years more.
Years
So
more.
ये clarity भी मिल गया हमको. ये भी तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था. मतलब there are many videos, but I think हम लोग एक वीडियो देखते हैं और भूल जाते हैं. So this is something which he like told us.
We will definitely recommend to consult a financial advisor or research on this particular topic and get a lot of clarity. आपको आपका गोल्स क्या है, उसके हिसाब से आपको कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए.
Yeah, so basically ये small things like any big purchases like कार लेना है, आपको कहीं ट्रिप पे जाना है, कोई भी चीज है, इसके लिए ना कुछ गोल होना और उसका प्लानिंग होना बहुत जरूरी है. ये तो चीज पक्का पता चली. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल रिसेंटली जनवरी में मैंने आके वेंकट को बोला कि अपन वो सकुरा फेस्टिवल देखने के लिए, इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट, कि चलते हैं ना, जापान चलते हैं ना. ये मैंने क्या, ऑब्वियसली मुझे जाने का बहुत मन था पहले से बिकॉज ऑफ एनिमे एंड ऑल दिस क्यूट
We love traveling also.
दैट वी सी. बट मेजर रीजन वाज जो रिसेंटली जो बूम हुआ है, पीपल गोइंग टू जापान लाइक एनीथिंग. एंड यार 5-6 लाख का खर्चा है उसके लिए. I told Venkat and then Venkat really we sat and I think
हमने डिस्कस किया था कि लाइक ये ट्रिप कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड हम कैसे कैसे प्लान कर सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर द डिस्कशन वी केम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट वी कैन प्लान इट ईयर लेटर एंड वी हैव द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स स्टार्टेड ओनली फॉर द इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप, ओनली फॉर द जापान ट्रिप.
करेक्ट. सो वो प्लानिंग चालू हो गई है. बट ठीक है, सोशल मीडिया पे आपके फ्रेंड्स है, फैमिलीज है, जल्दी चले जाएंगे, जाने दो उनको, बिकॉज पैसा उनके पास से जाने वाला है, आपके पॉकेट में से नहीं जाएगा. जब आपके पॉकेट में से जाएगा ना, तब आपको पता जाए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि जापान जाके और फिर पैसे ही नहीं है जिंदगी में खर्च करने के लिए. सो मेक इट एज अ हैबिट टू ऑलवेज क्रिएट एन इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड प्लान इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर गोल्स
Goal.
ऑल्सो. अब छोटा मोटा है, इंडिया में कहीं ट्रैवल करना है, इंडोनेशिया सॉरी मतलब एशियन कंट्रीज में जाना है, देन यू कैन मे बी थिंक लिटिल अब्रप्टली कि अच्छा ठीक है थोड़ा पैसा है, लेट्स गो. बट बिगर ट्रिप्स लाइक दिस जहाँ पे 5-6 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट है, यू शुड डेफिनेटली हैव अ गोल टू इट.
ऐसा नहीं कि हम ऐसे कच्चा नहीं करते, हम काफी सारे ऑन द गो भी जाते हैं, चलो आज महाबलेश्वर जाएंगे एंड ऑल. सो बट छोटा छोटा वो खर्चे वी डू इट लाइक दैट, बट फॉर द बिगर एक्सपेंसेस वी प्लान रियली वेल.
एंड ये छोटा मोटा खर्चा भी है ना, ये एक्चुअली हमारे वो एक्सपेंस शीट में भी लिखा हुआ है कि हम साल में ऐसे ऐसे एब्रप्ट चीजें भी करेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर दैट मच केयर फ्री कि चलो ठीक है आज उठ के अगर कोंकण जाए ले तो जा रहे हैं.
We have a budget already planned for
Planned
that,
for
the
it.
financial year plan.
Correct. I think this video, you not only कि आपकी शादी हो गई है and accordingly you can plan, even if you are unmarried, like in your 25 or 30, जितना जल्दी plan करोगे उतना जल्दी आपको retirement and etc भी मिलेगा. It's a good to invest early also. That is what I always suggest my brother also. He is just 24, but I tell him कि कुछ तो investment करके रख if you want to go get retired early.
So quick tips. One is term insurance and health insurance. Term insurance is a must. If you already have one, please evaluate the situation after marriage. If you, it depends on the dependents and all. And in my case, I had one term insurance earlier, and after marriage, based on the dependents, I had to take one more term plan.
Correct. And coming to health insurance, if you're just relying on your company's health insurance, वो amount बहुत कम होता है, clauses बहुत सारे होते हैं. So just evaluate it again and take a health insurance which will cover more amount and more, things will be get covered into it. So वो एक बार evaluate कर लो.
And after getting on board with a financial advisor, हमने actually differences देखा है. We had a goal of getting a car. We had this SIP and हमने last year car लिया था. And we had this international vacation plan which we went to Thailand last year. And हमने other छोटा मोटा goals जो है वो भी हमने कर पाया. And
so all the soft loans वगैरह
yeah.
है हमारे, उसके भी SIPs है. अगर आपने हमारा ये वीडियो नहीं दिखा है, I'll pin somewhere here. It's about home
Yeah.
basically कि how we planned our home before turning 26. उसमें भी हमारे home loans चल रहे हैं and वो हम लोग उसके basically EMIs वगैरह कैसे plan करते हैं वो भी हम लोग through this SIP goal etc इसी से plan करते हैं. Today when we sleep, we are actually peaceful of knowing that we have all our investments in place. No, we haven't achieved many of it yet, but we have the clarity, we have the number in picture, and all this is basically our complete salary based only. No passive incomes are considered here. So yes guys, I think we will conclude our video here, but if you're someone in the same journey like us, like got married and planning for investments or about to get married, Do share this video with your friends and family. Also do like, subscribe and share this video. Also there will be a hype button if you're watching it from phone, and just click on the hype button so it reaches more people. So if you have any other doubts, let us know in the comments, and if there are any personal questions, because koi questions we cannot answer in the comment, so do DM us on Instagram. हम काफी एक्टिव होता है वहाँ पे हम काफी एक्टिव होता है वहाँ पे. So yes, I think
See you in the next video.
bye.